Today's the day that we're off to the cruise. Waffles and coffee. Lovely breakfast. The plan is to get on a taxi that will take us from here, Titusville, to Cape Canaveral, embark on the boat, and we can start to cruise. There are 8 of us, friends and family. The fact is, I've never been on a cruise before, so I'm not quite sure what to expect. Well, I guess we'll just find out. And here we go. Good morning.
I'm so sorry, my navigation wasn't working right and let me
That's
pass
all right.
right by your street.
Shall we put this in the back?
Yeah, I'll be right there.
Do you mind if I sit by a window at the back? Should I just knock myself out? Can you say? Do you say that in the States? Knock yourself out. I always get it wrong and I say knock myself off. We got it here nice and early, it's all good, but there's a police situation. It looks like the security belt is stuck. We'll have to leave Patty here in the taxi.
Oh my god! Worse, I feel. I'm so sorry. Yeah.
Alright, safety first. Here we are approaching the terminal, cruise terminal number 1. We had a few accidents coming into the terminal, didn't we?
Apparently Dad just got nutted by a suitcase. Patty got strangled by a seatbelt. Other than that, so far it's going really well.
Do you want to see the boat?
Tension in the base.
They make it easier to spend your money. Now we've got this, which is very dangerous because basically we need no cash at all, nothing. Just this card,
Just
very
on the
easy
end.
to swipe. It is massive. I've never been on anything this big. Look.
No.
Look at the size of it. Whoa. It took us half an hour just to figure out where to go here. So we're on deck 3. As soon as we got on board, of course, we got accosted by shrewd salesmen. Shrewd salesmen, I tell you, who wanted to sell us all sorts of things.
Okay.
We're completely clueless here.
No idea what it is.
Of course, Sarah wants to go and see the shops. I mean, we're in the middle of the Caribbean Sea.
No, we're not. We haven't left the port yet.
It is mind-blowing, this. Maybe if you've done other cruises in the past, you're more familiar. You're not as jaded as we are. At this point in time, I'm completely, utterly... The biggest boat I've ever been on is one of those ferry boats that connected Mediterranean islands. And this to me is just like, boom. There was a ferry once from England to France, from Calais to Dover, yeah. That's the biggest boat I've ever been on. And then we are going here. There's like a painting exhibition. Oh, I can see Vankop. Look. This is the first deck where we can actually go outside. Nice. It looks pretty good for me.
Let's just go back in here.
Let's go back in again.
This is the plan for today. We have a compulsory muster drill at 3:30 and then we're going to leave at 4. There's a sail away party with the cruise director. There's various champagne events. There's a big screen movie. There's a rock climbing wall on deck 12. Basketball open play on the sports deck at 7 p.m. tonight. Music trivia, yummy rum cake tasting, piano bar entertainment, DJ, black and white band.
Not much though. Not much to do.
Not much
Bit
to
boring.
do. Bit boring.
We are in a shining type of situation. Danny, come and play with us forever.
It is a bit, isn't it?
So these are the running machines. Can't believe we've been beaten to it by someone. I am actually a bit disappointed that we were not the first one on the running machines.
Yeah.
But then I had a look at the running machines. I don't really know how they work. This is the kid stuff. It's an area of the boat which we can happily ignore for a change. Whoa. There's the climbing wall. Look at the pools. There's the cinema there. This is sun deck. It's the deck, the top deck with no other decks on top of it. And so it begins. People of all genders, creed, ethnicities, they come together in the big communal church that is food.
Very cool.
How was your first lunch on board?
It was lush, but I'm very full.
Well, what did you eat?
Big plate of salad, and then I had a random selection of everything else.
Okay, so we've been on the ship for a couple of hours and we still haven't left the dock. I think I found a hat somewhere.
I just...
All right.
Oh, what? Single beds?
We have single bedrooms. What?
We can move them!
We can move them.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
We're gonna find
Immediately
out.
following this announcement, the emergency signal will be sounded. All guests are to proceed to their muster stations. All muster stations are located on deck 7. Life jackets are not required for this drill. Thank you for your attention. Now please stand by for the alarm signal.
Here we go.
Here we go. This boat we need to move it. Go down on the moment.
It's not very loud.
Oh, it's getting louder. It's like
Oh, that was a big one. We're up. How beautiful is this? There's the sheriff making sure we leave. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. Absolutely stunning.
Sunset is approaching fast. A beautiful day outside. Back in our cabin, getting ready for dinner. Day is going really well so far. I wonder this transversal waves is the reason why we're dancing so much. Nothing we haven't dealt with in the past. It's gonna be a walk in the park at dawn. We have a situation whereby Sarah and I have got different decks reservation than her parents. So we're trying to fix that. We're trying now to wait for Sarah to come back. Of course the mobile phone doesn't work, so we'll just have to wait for her to be back. They're all inside having dinner already for hours. We're gonna have a lovely romantic dinner
Yeah,
with
it'll
the
be
two
fine.
of
It'll
us.
be fine.
So
They leave it?
they have left, yes. They have left a lot of food as well.
Maybe the seasick.
Yeah. Just
Really?
beginners. We are seasoned mariners. You've heard it here first. The term posh comes from port out, starboard home. We've been here just a few hours. Looks like we've been here 3 months. It's really taken the toll out of us. Do you remember how young and full of hopes we were a few hours ago as we came on board? And look at us now. Retiring age, almost I'd say. Is the boat actually rolling or not? We can see from this glass. The camera is aligned with the table. If the liquid looks like it's...
Yes, moving.
Is it? Oh, sorry. Our dinner has arrived.